Okay, just showing you guys a couple of line out formations, basic ones that we worked on yesterday. You can see how it looks in an actual game, South Africa versus Wales. In this line out, Wales did not contest the line out. They didn't even go up for it. Don't know if the number count was sneaky in terms of they didn't know it was coming. But again, another basic setup. See, they get the ball out quickly, setting up a good ruck. South Africa once again taking the line out, Wales not contesting it. I think in the last one, Wales finally gives them a little bit of a challenge. Okay. In this example you're about to see, they stole the line out, which is totally legal, and you can make that happen. Notice who's throwing it in, and what ends up happening, completely legal. Just got to be better at getting the line out ball than the other team. Okay, so that's some examples of lineouts. Like I said, we'll continue to work on them at practice this week.